Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're thinking about getting Starlink or you just got your kit and don't know where to start, this tutorial is for you. Today, I'll walk you through the exact steps to create your Starlink account from scratch. It's simple, but there are a few important details you need to know so you don't get stuck. Let's get right into it. First, head over to Google and search for Starlink. Make sure you open the official Starlink website so you're on the right page. Once you're in, the first thing you'll do is choose the type of service you want. You'll see options like residential or roam. Pick the one that matches your usage. Residential is for home internet, while roam is for mobile or travel setups. After selecting your service type, choose your country from the list and click order to continue. Now you'll be asked to choose your service plan and hardware kit. For 2025, Starlink offers multiple kit options, including the standard kit, which often comes free with certain plans, and the mini kit, which is more compact and portable. Select the hardware that best fits your needs, then proceed with the purchase. Once your Starlink kit arrives at your doorstep, it's time to finish creating your account. Go back to the Starlink website and in the top right corner, click on the three-line menu. From there, select Sign In. You'll see an option that says Activate your Starlink. Click it. Now look at your physical Starlink kit. You'll find something called a Starlink identifier printed on it. Enter that identifier exactly as shown. After that, you'll be asked to enter the email address you want to use for your Starlink account. Type it in, then click New Account to complete your registration. And that's it. Your Starlink account is officially created. And there you go. You're now ready to set up and manage your Starlink internet. If this guide helped you out, make sure to hit like, drop your questions in the comments, and subscribe for more updated tech tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.